Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can change the date and time in MacBook OS. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to open the setting icon. So as you can see, here's a setting icon. If you want to open this from the launch pad, you can also do that. You have to click on this, and here you will see the app. So we need to click on this, and after clicking on it, as you can see here, the systems will be open. So what we need to do simply, if you want to search the date and time, you can also do that. You have to write that here, or if you want to open this from here, you can also do that. You just have to click on here. So simply you need to click on this. After clicking on this, the setting of the time and the date will be open. Now simply what we need to do, if you want to change all the details like the time and the date, you simply have to unlock this. As you can see here, we have to click on this. So let's click on this. After clicking on this, we need to provide the password, and after that we have to click on the unlock, and all the settings will be unlocked. Then we can change it. So in this way you can change the time and the date and the time zone as well. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can change the date and time in MacBook OS. So see you guys in the next video.